If you've been scrolling TikTok or Facebook, you've probably seen this. A magic liquid that turns your car into a mirror, repels water instantly, and supposedly protects your paint for 10 years. Sounds insane, right? Well, today we're exposing the truth about PTZ Crystal Serum and why this might not be what it claims to be. PTZ Crystal Serum is being marketed as a professional-grade ceramic coating that you can apply at home in minutes. It promises 9H hardness, extreme gloss, hydrophobic self-cleaning effect, and long-term protection. But here's the problem. Real ceramic coatings don't work like that. Let's start with the biggest claim, 10+ years of protection. That sounds impressive, but in reality, even professional ceramic coatings applied by experts rarely last that long without maintenance. So how can a simple wipe-on product do the same? Short answer, it can't. Here are some major red flags you should know. First, the 9H hardness claim. This term is often misused in marketing. There's no clear proof or standardized testing shown. Second, the ads. Many of them look AI-generated or heavily edited, showing unrealistic transformations. Third, the application process. Real coatings require surface prep, curing time, and controlled conditions. This one, just spray and wipe. That's a huge warning sign. So what is PTZ Crystal Serum actually doing? Based on user experiences, it behaves more like a temporary polish or sealant. Yes, you might get some shine, some water beading, but the effects often fade within days or weeks, not years. That's a big difference from a real ceramic coating. So, is PTZ Crystal Serum legit? It's probably not a professional ceramic coating. At best, it's a short-term shine product being marketed with exaggerated claims. If you're serious about protecting your car, it's better to go with trusted detailing brands or professional services. And if you've tried PTZ Crystal Serum, drop your experience in the comments. You might help someone avoid wasting their money. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next one.